Hello and welcome to Bitcoin on the Beach. Today I thought I'd talk about the videos that have been produced so far in the Bitcoin on the Beach series. The first in the series is on prices. Prices describes why a single trusted source may be used to calculate profit and loss. Second in the series is on markets. Markets describes how orders to buy and sell interact on a market depth display for a centralized crypto exchange. The third in the series is on portfolios. Portfolios describes the thought process used to put together a diverse portfolio of crypto interests. Fourth in this series is on systems. Systems describes the workflow used to execute orders to buy and sell crypto coins, tokens, and other digital assets. The fifth in this series is on investing. Investing describes one method consumers could use to get some Bitcoin, just in case. Serious crypto players use a lot of information to come up with what success looks like and how to get there. Thank you for watching my videos. Please like, subscribe, and comment.